Children, total states in our country 28. Total states in our country 28. Already 14 states I told in part 1. Remaining 14 states now I am telling in part 2. According to alphabetical order, the continuation M, that is Manipur, the capital of Manipur, Impal, and the governor of Manipur, Nazma Hipullah, the chief minister of Manipur, N. Biren Singh, the mother tongue of Manipur, Manipuri and Mehta, and dance Rasalila, the population of Manipuri, 35.2 lakhs, and major crops of Manipur, rice, wheat, maize, etc. And the major rivers of Manipur, River Manipur and River Impal. Next alphabetical order M, that is Mizoram. The Mizoram capital Aizawl, and the governor of Mizoram, P.S. Sridharan Pillai, and chief minister of Mizoram, Joram Tonga, and mother tongue of Mizoram, Mizo, and dance of Mizoram, Chirao, and population of the Mizoram 13.32 lakhs, and the major crops of Mizoram, paddy, maize, rice bean, soybean. And the major rivers of Mizoram, Trang, Tiu, Sona. Next alphabetical order M, Meghalaya. That is Meghalaya capital Shillong, and governor of Meghalaya Satyapal Malik, and chief minister of Meghalaya Conrad Sangama, and mother tongue of Meghalaya Khasi, and dance of Meghalaya Shad Sukumai Sima, and Shad Nang Karan, and Lahu. These are the local dance of Meghalaya. Now the population of the Meghalaya 38.65 lakhs, and the major crops of Meghalaya rice, maize, horticultural crops, orange, lemon, pineapple, lychee, jackfruit, etc. And the major rivers of the Meghalaya, that is Simsang, Maingal, Somesh, Digaru, Kopili. So, next alphabetical order state N, Nagaland. Nagaland capital Kohima, the governor of Nagaland R.N. Ravi, and the chief minister of Nagaland Nipio Roy, and mother tongue of Nagaland English. Now the dance of Nagaland Mopsi, butterfly dance, Kuki, and Mayur. And the population of the Nagaland 20.83 lakhs. And the major crops of the Nagaland rice, wheat, oil seeds, pulses, potato, and ginger. And the major rivers of the Nagaland, Doyam, Diku, Dansari, Tizu. These are the major rivers of the Nagaland. Next alphabetical order, Orissa. The Orissa capital Bhubaneswar, and the governor of Orissa Ganesh Lal, and chief minister of Orissa Naveen Patnaik, and mother tongue of the Orissa Odia, and dance of Orissa Odissi. The population of the Orissa 4.76 crores, and major crops of the Orissa are rice, sugarcane, wheat, millets, jute, cotton, rubber, tea, and coffee. And the major rivers of the Orissa, River Mahanadi and River Brahmani. is children according to alphabetical order. Next P. Punjab. Capital Chandigarh and Governor of Punjab VP Singh Bangalore and Chief Minister of Punjab Amarendra Singh and Mother tongue of Punjab Punjabi and local dance of Punjab Bhangra, Gidha, Jhamu. And population of Punjab 3.05 crores and major crops of Punjab wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane, barley, etc. And the major rivers of Punjab Satluj, Ravi, Beas, Chena, Jhelum. The major river of in Punjab, Chena. Now next alphabetical order Rajasthan R. Rajasthan capital Jaipur. The governor of Rajasthan, Kalras Mishra, and Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot, and Mother tongue of Rajasthan, Hindi, Rajasthani, Marwari, and local dance of Rajasthan, Ghumur, and population of the Rajasthan 8.07 crores. Now, population of Rajasthan 8.07 crores and major crops of Rajasthan wheat, jawar, maize, jaw, bajra and major rivers of Rajasthan Chambal, Banas, Luni, Sabarmati. These are the major rivers of Rajasthan. Next alphabetical order yes. Sikkim. Sikkim capital Gangtok and Governor Ganga Prasad and Chief Minister of Sikkim Prem Singh Tabang and Mother tongue of Sikkim Nepali Bhotia and local dance of Sikkim Richungma and Gato, Kita and Maruni and the population of Sikkim 6.63 lakhs. The major crops of Sikkim maize, wheat, rice and finger millets and the major rivers of Sikkim Testa, Rangit and Rangpo. These are the major rivers of Sikkim. And children, already I live two states. Already one state I told, that is Jharkhand, and another state also I lived previous, that is Tripura. The Tripura capital Agartala and governor of Tripura Ramesh Bais and Chief Minister of Tripura Biplab Kumar Dev and Mother tongue of Tripura Bengali, Kakbaro and English and local dance of Tripura Hazogiri, Garia and Zoom and population of the Tripura 42.40 lakhs and major crops of Tripura rice, wheat, maize, pulses, sugarcane, cotton, jute and major rivers of Tripura Gomati and Muhuri. Next alphabetical order Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu capital Chennai and governor of Tamil Nadu Banwarilal Purohit and Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu M.K. Stalin and Mother tongue of Tamil Nadu Tamil and local dance of Tamil Nadu Bharatanatyam. And population of the Tamil Nadu 7.85 crores and major crops of Tamil Nadu rice, wheat, millets, maize, pulses and cash crops tea, coffee, rubber, cotton and jute. And the major rivers of Tamil Nadu Kaveri and Kola. Now students, alphabetical order T. Telangana. Telangana capital Hyderabad and governor of Telangana Rajasai Saundarya Rajan, and Chief Minister of Telangana K. Chandrasekhar, and Mother tongue of Telangana Telugu, and local dance of Telangana Peridi Tandavam, Dappu dance, and Lambadis dance. That's a tribal dance. And the population of Telangana 3.98 crores. The major crops of Telangana rice, millets, maize, pulses, sugarcane, and jute. And the major rivers of Telangana: Godavari, Krishna, Musi, Tungabhadra, Bhima. Next alphabetical order: U. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital Lucknow. Governor of Uttar Pradesh Anandabhai Patil, and Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath, and local languages of Uttar Pradesh Hindi and Urdu, and local dance of the Uttar Pradesh Kathak, Khayar, and Rasalila. And the population of Uttar Pradesh 23.50 crores, the highest population state in India. And the major crops of Uttar Pradesh: rice, maize, Bengal gram, sorghum, Pigeon pea, wheat, green peas, etc. And the major rivers of Uttar Pradesh: Ganga, Yamuna, Betwa, Gomati, and Sarayu. Next alphabetical order: U. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand capital is Dehradun, and the governor of Uttar Pradesh Baby Rani Maurya, and Chief Minister of Uttarakhand Tirth Singh Rawat. Next, mother tongue of Uttarakhand Hindi, local dance of Uttarakhand Pandavanuchya, and Bhotia, and Cholia. And the population of Uttarakhand 1.19 crores. Major crops of Uttarakhand: rice, wheat, sugarcane, soybean, oilseeds, etc. Next, major rivers of Uttarakhand, that is Yamuna, Alaknanda, and Bhagirathi. Now, last but not least, the last state alphabetical order W, that is West Bengal. West Bengal capital Kolkata, and governor of West Bengal Jagdeep Dhankar, and Chief Minister of West Bengal Mamata Banerjee, and local language of West Bengal Bengali, and dances of West Bengal Brita, Gambhira, Kirtana dance. And population of West Bengal 10.19 crores. Major crops: West Bengal rice, wheat, pulses, oilseeds, wheat, barley, and commercial crop jute. And major rivers in West Bengal: Ganga, Hooghly, and Damodar. Now students, total 28 states. I gave total information. You know each and every state. That is very useful and important to you. Thank you for watching. And next class I will tell union territories. Okay, thank you.